Ano ito? Kaya, uy, rabbit sisig? May rabbit sisig? Wow. Ito iba pa to. Dito sa cafe na to, nag-offer sila ng tarot reading.
You can always listen to their thoughts and opinion, but then in the end, you make a decision for yourself. And this card,
ito naman nag-o-offer sila ng pencil drawing. Ay, pwede ano lang. Ito naman yung man-made theater, nagawa sa mga scrap woods. May theater.
I was 14 and I was by myself in the forest. I find the guy who was running, hiding, saving his life, same as me. I didn't know any place besides my village. I just continue following him.
Yeah.
He has the child who was the same age I was. I didn't know the guy. If they speak Swahili because I've never been in Kenya. We have the same color of skin, but they're different people.
Here,
Android book.